Hi friends, this is Lokesh Sen and I welcome you all once again in this channel. So friends, I am showing you here a series of the best apps. So in the yesterday's video I have shown you the 5 apps. So again I am showing you today the 6 apps. So those 6 apps right now are the Wink Music, the Money Control, the Cam Scanner, the Super Beam, Backgrounds and the Speed Test. So let's start from the Wink Music. So this is the app from the Airtel in India, and this is very good app, and this is basically the jackpot of the songs. So all the Indian songs and all international songs are here in it. And for the Airtel customers, the subscription of the 99 rupees is free. So the only charges are the downloaded charges, because now you can download the songs in it, and you can also listen those all songs offline. So here you can find the all kind of songs. Like in my college life I heard the hard rock. So that hard rock, the obituary album was there. So if I search that one, then I find here the obituary. So these are the songs from the album obituary. So I'm not believing that that has become more than 16 or 17 years. Still I can live my all songs here by or the through this app. So this is the Wink Music app. After this I have the Money Control app. This app is for the financial purposes. So this is for the customers who generally watch the stock market. So the stock market, Sensex or the Nifty are here, as well as the few international markets are also here. And those all apps, even the gold or the crude oil prices, even the US dollar comparison with the rupees, and the Great Britain pound with comparison to the rupees, are here shown in it. You can log in through the Money Control username and you apply here the password. So you can also customize a lot in this one. So this is the day-to-day usage basis the app. So definitely this is the good app we have right now. This is the Money Control app. After this is the Cam Scanner. So scanned here the photograph of the Mahatma Gandhi. So I'm again showing you that how can we do here anything. So if you want to scan here anything, like I'm scanning here the photograph of the Mahatma Gandhi. So it is your choice that what size of the photograph you want here. And yes, this is okay. Now you have lots of options in it. Like if you want to share this photograph someone, then you have the option of the share. So you have the two options of the share, the PDF file format as well as the JPG format you have, and you can share it anywhere on the WhatsApp or on the Facebook. So this is the good one. Even you can keep the photographs or the scanned documents in the PDF format through this app. So I like this app because this is the good one. So you can make your all documents through this app here. Now after this I have the Super Beam, and this is the app through which you can transfer the datas, or you can transfer the files, the music, the photographs. So this is the super fast service, and you can transfer the datas or the documents through the 40 mbps to the 80 mbps through this app. So this is very similar to the uh, this is very similar to the, what do you say, that is the one more app we have, that is the Xender. So that is very similar to that one. So you can do that one through this app. After this you have the background. So this app is with the name HD Backgrounds. So you can customize your wallpapers through this app. So it has lots of wallpapers in it. So like suppose I want to set here this wallpaper. So it's very simple. I'm applying this wallpaper. Yeah, now through this backgrounds, so I'm using it through the fit. So I'm applying this. Now you see in the front of, now we have changed the background right now through that app. Now after this we have the speed test. This is a very general type of app, and you can measure the speed of your internet service provider through this app. So let's check here that how can we work for this one. Like the internet connection at my home is the Wi-Fi, and that is not the very good speed, but still that is the 1 Mbps unlimited. So I think this will definitely will show the 1 Mbps. Yeah, exactly, this is showing you the 1 Mbps. So this app works absolutely fine. This is the good one. And now this is showing you the upload speed also. So upload speed is also approximately the same, because I think this is capped at the 1 Mbps for the upload as well as for the download. So this is for the Wi-Fi. Now I'm showing you once again for my data. So I'm closing this one, and now I'm checking here for the data. So I'm testing it once again. So let's check that what kind of speed I can measure for the internet service provider. So let's check here. Yeah, this is quite super fast. You see here that I'm not using here the 4G, this is only the 3G. Still the 7 to 8 Mbps in the 3G is quite good at my home through the Airtel. So I think this is the good one, and this app is really helping me to find here the speed of the internet service provider. So that's absolutely fine, and this works very well. So let's come out. So these were the 6 apps we have discussed here in today's video. So I'll show you the next apps in the tomorrow's video. So till then, goodbye. And if you really like my videos, please subscribe, and time to time definitely I will try my best to give you the better things. Thank you very much.